What's up guys, Jeff back here with another amazing video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys two apps that are going to actually pay you to play games. So unlike every other video or website or whatever you've seen out there that promises to show you how to get paid to play games, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys two apps that are actually the best in what they do, and these two apps are going to pay you to play fun games like the one you can see on the screen right about now. So guys, these two apps are available to a ton of countries, and the first app is going to pay you through gift cards, including Visa gift cards, so in case you want cash you can also get that. And the second app is going to pay you only through PayPal. And as usual, you're going to be putting in some work, but I won't call this work because you're going to be simply playing games. So guys, the first app we're going to be looking at is only available to Android devices, and if you do not have an Android device, you could always get an Android emulator on your PC. And as you guys know already, this app is going to be paying you to play games. So immediately you open up the app, you see a bunch of games to pick from, a bunch of games to play. And guys, get this right, the more games you're actually playing, the more money you're going to be making. So guys, the second app is actually a website, and it's completely different from the first because all you have to do is register any device you have on the website, and you're going to be getting games to test based on the devices that you have. And the second website is pretty serious when it comes to legal terms, because you're not allowed to actually tell any other person about the games you're actually testing on their website. And get this guys, they also pay more than the first, so stay to the end of this video so you guys know which one actually works best for you. So before I actually show you guys these two apps based on the little info you already have, let me know in the comment section which one you guys actually think is better. Do you love the first one better or the second one? And let me also know in the comment section what country you're in, so I provide you guys with more apps with more content that work in your countries specifically. Guys, as you can see on the screen right now, we're over at the first app, and the name of this, as you can see, is called Mistplay. So go over to your Play Store, get the app, and this is the website. There's pretty much nothing here. You can come over here, click on get it on Google Play, but as I also said, if you don't have an Android device, you could always use an Android emulator. And you could also join the iOS waitlist over here, so you get updated immediately it's added to the iOS app store. So you could come over here, check that out. You could also come over here, read their privacy and terms, go over to their blog over here so you could see updates. Go over to support where you could ask questions, you could become an influencer, and if you want to advertise with Mistplay, you could always come over here and read about that. But the main thing we're going to be looking at over here is the app. So I have it opened up on my Android emulator right now, and this is how the app looks like. So you get a bunch of games, as you guys can see, you get a bunch of games to choose from, and the game I love playing, in my opinion, the best game over here is this Marvel Contest of Champions. So you guys can come over here and play that exact game. But before you guys come over here and play whatever game you want to play, I'm going to tell you that the game you play actually affects the amount of money you're going to be earning. So if you come over here and play this first game over here, you're not going to earn as much as if you're going to play this game. So as you can see, this game is going to give you half units for playing this game over and over again, but this over here is going to give you 3 units and 4 PXP. So you have to go for games that have higher units and higher PXP ratings. So this game is one that is actually much. I think it has about, I don't know, 2.5 PXP and some stuff like that. So you guys come check over here what game is actually fun for you to play and what game has a good amount of PXP and units that you earn. So you guys also go over to the chat tab over here and chat with other people that are online and your friends, and you can see whatever person is actually playing the games you also play over here. So as you can see, 30 people online right now. You could chat with those people if for whatever reason you want to chat with them. You guys could also go over to the shop section down here and redeem your points for whatever you want to redeem them for. So you could, I don't know, you could get a new profile picture, you could redeem them for Amazon gift cards, Visa gift cards, as I said before, Google Play gift cards, Xbox gift cards over here, GameStop gift cards, PlayStation Store gift cards, iTunes gift cards. You guys come see over here and, I don't know, check out what's best for you. And going over to the bonus tab over here, this where you see how a bonus quest to complete, so you earn more points. So you guys can see over here the first thing you see, if you keep a 7-day streak, you could earn 14 extra points, so you could come check that out. You could also enter contests and win a ton of points. And scrolling down over here, this also has a referral system like every other app, and as you guys know, you could use get referrals for this, so you could earn 100 points over and over again. You could follow them on social media and subscribe to their newsletter to actually earn 15 points immediately. Over at the profile section, this is where you see the amount of people you're following, the games you have, and how many followers you actually have. So below here you see your statistics, total time played, how long you've actually played games, and how many games you've actually played, your total game experiences, your total player experience, and total units earned and highest game level reached. So come check that over here. And when you see the amount of points you're earning, you click this over here so you can see your recent history. And if you see this, you see the last time I redeemed a gift card through this was August 15th over here, so that was for 400 points, and I mean that's like 20 minutes of work. So you guys could actually earn 50 cents for 20 minutes of work. Unlike other apps or websites, you're going to earn 25 cents for days and days over again. So you guys could come see your stats over here and get that together. So that is pretty much it for this app. And how this app works, you come over to the main page over here and you see whatever app you want to get. So let's say for instance I want to get this app over here. All you have to do, click on that app and you're going to click install game through here. So you're going to get directed to the Play Store and actually get the app. And every time you want to play the game, you're gonna have to come through the app and play the game through the app, so the app can actually monitor the amount of time you're spending on the app, and the amount of money they're actually going to pay you. As I said before, depends on the longer you play the game. So that is it for Mistplay. Let me know in the comment section if you love this app already. I mean, it's one of the best in what they do. So let me know in the comment section if you love this app. So guys, as you can see over here, we're at the second website, and the name of this website is Playtestcloud. So you can just come over to playtestcloud.com and get to the website. So over on the website, you could come read more. You could go over to the, I mean, you don't really know, you do not really have to go over to the products or pricing page or customers. Or you could go over to the FAQ page, go over to the support page, and go over to the blog page to read more. And I know you guys are thinking about clicking on sign up now, but that's not actually what you're going to be clicking. You're going to be clicking over here at the top and you're going to click become a tester. So after you click on that, you're going to get directed to this page, and there are 4 things to actually note. So first, sign up below. If you're eligible, we send you a qualification test. The qualification test is unpaid, blah blah blah. If you fail the qualification test, do not worry, you have to retake the test. After you qualify, we'll invite you where you could earn money to play. So as you guys have probably guessed already, this website, you have to take a qualification test before you could get approved to test this different games. And as I told you guys before, this website is pretty serious with what they do. So they don't just accept whoever comes to their doorstep to start testing games. So the test is the test is pretty simple. I can't actually give you guys tips on how to pass the test, because they're going to be sending you a game to test out, and you're going to review the game. You're going to tell them what you think about the game, and they're going to accept you based on what you tell them about those games they're going to be sending you. So all you have to do, put in your email address, your full name. I'm sure everybody has those, and you're gonna put in which games you like to play and stuff like that. They're gonna add your gaming devices, whatever device you have, it does not matter. So you guys could add those over here. They're gonna send you games to test after you pass the qualification test. You're also gonna put in what country you're in from, your birth date, and you're gonna click over here, start testing games. They're gonna send you a qualification test and stuff like that. And when you pass the test, you go start playing games immediately. And as they said on the website, if you do not pass the qualification test, you could always retake it again. So over here you could read some questions. How do I become a playtester? What is Playtestcloud? What devices can I playtest on? Is playtesting a job? How much money will I earn? What is being recorded while I test the games? Why do I talk out loud? So as I told you guys before, you have to talk out loud because they want to know what you guys actually think about the games. So you guys can also come read this out. Can I become a playtester if I'm not from the USA, UK, or Canada? Can I tell people about the games I test? And as I told you guys before, you're not allowed to tell people about the games you test. Another question over here, do you only pay via PayPal? And I'm sure they only pay through PayPal because that's the only method they've paid me through. What information do the game developers see? You could come read about that. When will I get a new playtest? So every time you get a new playtest for your device, they're going to send you an email and you're going to complete a survey so they know you're a perfect fit for that playtest, and they're going to send you a playtest over to you. They're going to send you a way to download the game because the game is not going to be available on the App Store or Play Store. They're going to show you a way to download the game, and when you actually download the game, you're going to be able to test the game. The game is going to automatically record itself, your audio and every other thing. It's not going to record video, it's only going to record audio, so they know what you think about their games. So you guys could also go to their Facebook page, ask some questions, and that is pretty much it for Playtestcloud. An amazing website, pretty good in what they do. And I mean, I've gotten paid myself from these two apps, so you guys know this is legit. And I don't know, I'm gonna flash some payment proof on the screen or something so you guys could see that. You guys saw payment proof for Mistplay over on the Android emulator. You saw the Amazon gift card I actually redeemed, but I'm going to show you guys some more proof with these two apps. So guys, that is pretty much it for this video. This is about my third time recording this, but as you guys know, I do what I do for you guys. So if you want to appreciate what I'm doing, all the work I put into these videos, go below this video, smash that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I don't know, leave a comment if you have any questions, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Also, let me know in the comment section what country you're in, and let me know in the comment section what app you prefer. Do you prefer Playtestcloud or do you prefer Mistplay? Because as you guys know, with Mistplay, you do not need to complete any applications. You just need to download the app and you're going to get started with playing games and getting paid immediately. But with Playtestcloud, you're going to have to complete an application, and when you get accepted, you're going to get started with testing games and you're going to be getting paid more. So guys, that is pretty much it for this video. As I already said, peace and out. Catch you guys in the next one.